Looks like I got some packages. Let's see what's the first one. Oh, this one's a heavy one. Whoa. Alright, let's get started opening. Actually, this is not too hard. There we go. Oh, it's finished. Oh. I don't know what that came from. Not these crispy. I'm pretty good at these. I didn't even shoot this thing.
Wow, what'd you get there, Josh?
It's like Nerf gun.
That's very.
Oh, this is how you do it.
That's cool.
Ooh.
Nice shot.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, let's open this
What else did you get?
package.
Why don't you put it on the table? It might make it a little bit easier. Be careful.
There we go.
What'd you get today?
Let's just see if I can open this all the way.
Here, why don't you let me help you with that?
I don't know. Oh, I know. Here we go. We'll just do this. There we go. Nerf crossbow.
What is it?
A zombie strike crossbow. We have one though, but it's like I think Star Wars or something else. Oh, this crossbow. Doesn't matter about it. Open this. Whoa, it's kind of big. Big. There we go. I think we gotta trim out these things because it's really confining. And then so it doesn't get stuck in my face. There we go. There we go. Much better. This is not. There we go.
Pretty cool. Let me see the front of that box. Oh wow. What's that called? It's a crossbow?
Zombie strike crossbow.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
You have to build it. With the last one, you didn't have to build it. It's just itself. But now this one. Oh. We just bought it today at Toys R Us. We spent like $6 or $7 or 18.
Why don't you let your brother help you with that?
Hey Josh,
Hey.
need some help with this?
Sure. Here we go.
So, what's this?
It's a zombie crossbow. Zombie strike crossbow.
Oh, zombie strike crossbow?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we have this one.
No, but it's in different version.
Oh, it's a different version?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because it has, like, different barrels.
Yeah. Put the bullet down.
There you go. You need help?
There we go.
Okay. Let's see this.
Oh, what's wrong?
Oh, looks like we have to attach this thing to here. Oh.
Fail.
Fail.
I didn't even touch this thing.
Hmm? You need help with something?
Yeah.
This is cool. Pretty good accuracy.
Let's put the bullet.
Where's the bullets? They're right here.
Oh. Put the bullet in. Need help?
I got him.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright guys, this is like
This is the chainsaw. We forgot to put the handle thing on it.
yeah, because we didn't know.
So Josh, are you how excited are you that we have this?
So excited.
So excited?
Yes! Let's see how it shoots. Whoa. Whoa, that's cool.
Well, that's pretty fast. It shoots 2 at a time.
Yeah.
Are you out?
Yeah.
I got it. Alright, so let's open up this one. Yeah, this one looks cool.
Yeah, because it has like webs, like
Alright, I don't think we should shoot the spider webs because I'm pretty sure that's going to be hard to clean up.
No, let's do it outside.
Alright.
What is that?
This?
Yeah.
Yes, this is the Zombie Strike Bio Squad.
Yeah.
Let me see it.
It's pretty cool. There you go. Pretty nice, I like it.
Yes,
so,
I like it.
So Josh, what do you think of it? Like, do you think it's cool? Do you think it's boring? Like, what's your opinion on it?
I think it's cool.
You think it's cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's get this out of the box.
Oh my god, it's taking out everything.
Yeah. Okay, we got it.
Hey guys, looks like there's candy in the box that we didn't even see. Well, rainbow airhead.
Wow, they threw in some free candy for you?
Yeah, free candy.
That's cool. What?
Skittles my favorite.
They got Skittles?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, it's half open.
Half open.
Yes, looks
Maybe
like.
maybe your brother Jake had got into it.
Maybe he just opened it for me. Oh, I think there's sweet fish over here. My favorite too.
What are those called? Sweetest fish?
Yeah.
Oh.
Man.
I like those too. Those are delicious.
Yeah. Alright, there's blue raspberry and cherry in thing.
Let me see what you got.
Rainbow airheads.
Oh, those look good.
They taste like. And mom's taking, and my mom is here. If you just look behind the camera, my dad can.
You like that? Is it sour?
Nope.
I think it's a little sour.
Alright, so with the spray, it didn't work.
What happened to the spray? It's not
It's
spraying.
like all dried up inside, I think.
Okay. Well, maybe we can fix it later. What is that? That's the pistol Jake likes?
Yeah.
He says it shoots really accurate, right?
Yeah,
Let me see. Take a shot. Whoa.
Whoa, shoot like really far.
That's very cool.
Mhm.
What else? What else did you get?
I think this is it.
What's that big orange one in the middle?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
You already shot it.
What's that? Whoa, that's a crossbow?
We just reloaded.
That's pretty strong.
So you need to reload it somehow.
That's alright, we'll reload it later. And what was the big one you got? What was it called? Buzzsaw?
Yeah, the buzzsaw.
Well, you show me how the saw works.
Oh, it's see this lever, just put it in and then it spins.
Oh, and that's how you get the zombies?
Yeah.
You get the crawlers with that?
Yeah.
How do you shoot it?
Oh, just pull this back and then fire.
Oh, that's a strong one too.
Look, see? Pull it back, fire.
Oh yeah, the zombies have no chance with you. You're gonna get them all.
Like Pokemon.
That's right. And what's this one over here?
Oh, this one. Oh, this one's the crossbow.
That one looks cool too. How's that one work?
Oh, I actually don't know. Too much. Oh. It's different than the other one that we have. Oh, let me reload.
Wow. That's pretty cool. It's pretty strong too.
Just reload it somehow. Really? See, this is why I'm not too good.
I think you might need your brother to help you with that one.
I got
Oh, you're so strong. Let me see. Wow.
it. Wow.
That's a good shot.
And it actually turns it. Look, see? Oh, so do this, and when it fires, and then it turns. When you fire, it turns.
Very cool.
Yeah, there we go. Look, when it fires, switches.
Oh, it's a revolver.
Yeah, it's
Every time you shoot it, it moves over one.
yeah, it's kind of like a revolver.
It's a revolving crossbow.
Yeah. Kind of new too.
It kind of looks like a pair of scissors on top, right?
Yeah. I didn't know that. I just thought of that. Like when
It's neat, a little hard to pull back, but you got it.
yeah. Fire. And that's all the bullets.
That's it? All right.
Why?
Which is your favorite one of all the ones that you got today?
I'll say this one.
That's your favorite? Why? Because it's the biggest?
Yeah.
Or it's the strongest? Because it does two. It has two chambers, right?
Yeah. And
then what do you do?
then you shoot two at the same time.
Oh, that one's pretty cool. And you hold a lot of bullets. It looks like you hold, what, 10 on each side?
Wait, there's one in here.
Is it jammed?
It's.
Let me see.
We need one more.
Wow. Well, you might be able to shoot it again.
No.
It's no more?
Oh.
Haha, got one more. That might have been the last one.